We have it sa ating second game against Fat Mark and LPG Gasoline. Here we have our best player of the game. Sir, introduce yourself naman.
Aris Rodri ng Patmark.
Anim lang kayo, nakita ko sa game. Ano ang adjustments na ginawa nyo para manalo this ball game?
Ayun nga, yung court medyo pababa. Yung first half, medyo tinatansya lang namin. Para nung second half na pababa, puro takbo na lang kami.
There we have it sa ating best player of the game. See you next week.